It's 6 o'clock, so I am about to put the car in there. Money. I gotta get this car fixed, and then I gotta go to the dentist Tuesday. I gotta just keep track of this stuff. All right, y'all. Get my glasses. My old glasses. All right, y'all. Let me get dressed, and I'll be back. I'm wearing. I have my watch on with my green little teardrop earrings, my cute little necklace, and my off-the-shoulder sweater. I do have a tank up under here because, child, it is cold here, okay? Now, the pants I'm wearing, these were my sisters that passed away, as well as the bag I'm carrying today. Cute, right? Matter of fact, let's load it up. Let's put the wallet in there. The zipper, no, makeup in the zipper card. Makeup right here. Sponge. Lip chap. Oh. My chips to go. Because you know how long these dippers be taking. My brush. My glasses. On the outside. And my keys. Alright, this is what I'm wearing, guys. You can't tell me nothing. I got no job. You can't tell me nothing. Let me get my menu. I got this menu recipe thing I've been trying to finish for my girls. So, something happened to me, they can have my recipes and my mama recipes. So, yeah, I'm gonna take this with me. Have something to do. Okay, give me the charger. Like I said, I don't know how long they gonna be. Alright, let me put my socks and boots on. And I'm wearing my little boots. Let's go. Alright, y'all. I have made it to the dealer. I hope ain't nobody in there in the spot but me. So I'm gonna pull up in here and hopefully I can get taken care of quick. It's desolate up in here. So how's everyone doing? I am up in here early. It's 6:31. I'm at the dealership. Gonna get this oil change and of course a new dang tire. So yeah, take care of that. Hopefully I don't need a new tire, but I'm sure I will. It's a big nail in it. all this darn construction. This is the second tire on my brand new car. Like what? I haven't even worn the other two off. These two, this passenger side. So the front is a new tire, a new tire. I got that done 6 months ago before we took my child to Texas. And then now the back tire got a, what's the name in it? Ooh, this white one is gorgeous. What is that? That's sitting up high. Y'all know me in the high sitting up. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. I made it, y'all. It's cold. That should be bad. Up here, y'all, look at this Buick. Gorgeous. Look at it. Look at it. Gorgeous, right? Look at them tires. Look at the inside. Ooh, this is nasty. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, right there. Yeah, you're welcome. Woo. Hey, oh my God, y'all. I got me some stools for my island. Wait till we get home. Wait till we get home. I'm telling you, I got me some stools. Oh, we finna enjoy ourselves. I got me 2 stools for my kitchen island. They only had 2 black ones, so I got those. They were on sale. And yeah, I'm so excited. All right, y'all, I got these dang bar stools home. Of course, they too big. They so pretty, y'all. Freak a leak. Ugh. Okay, anyway, let me show you all the stuff I got for my hot chocolate bar. I got me a new tea kettle. This was how much? $12.99. I got some raw honey, some lemon wafers. I got the 3 variety pack of hot chocolate. It is milk chocolate, peppermint, and s'mores. And then I got some peppermint crunch sprinkles, the variety pack of stirrers. I got a box of variety tea. I got a can of praline chocolate hazelnut, strawberry bites, wafers, hazelnut wafers, and hot chocolate. And the piece of resistance is, yes. I'm back. I wanted to show y'all my little haul, but before that I wanted to show you guys I bought and how stupid wide and high they are. You can't even put your legs under. My husband love them. I love them too, but look at how high they are to the island. Like, I don't understand. And he won't let me take them back. They need to go back and get some more. Alright guys, I just wanted to do my little a pack of roast beef. roasted turkey, chicken breast. Got 2 packs of ground lamb. With some lamb burgers. Should have got 4 of those little packs because they're so expensive. I got a pack of fresh ground turkey and tenderloin. I got 2 chicken breasts. And I got a chicken leg quarter. Okay, so I got 2 packs of salmon. Wild caught pink salmon, 2 packs of those. I have a large bag of large raw peeled shrimp. We got these for the baby. Well, we ain't no baby, but for my grandson. Little matchbox trucks. I got some cookies for my little dessert container. I also got some thick cut bacon. 2 packs. This is supposed to be thick, but this is really thick. I got 2 baby eggs. I got a pack of provolone, a pack of Munster. Also, I got a block of Colby Jack, Monterey Jack, and mild cheddar. I have 3 packs of Chibana Flip, Peppermint Perfection. I have a cantaloupe, 4 cans of cream of mushroom, a jar of pasta sauce, a jar of grape jelly, a large container of ranch, a jar of maple syrup. I also got Millville's buttermilk complete pancake mix for some waffles. I got 2 turkey Polish Polska kielbasa. I got 2 of those. I got 2 chicken egg rolls. I got a pack of Alaskan cod. I got some macaroni and cheese with pesto, 2 packs. I also got my baby girl some gingerbread crunch, toast crunch, as well as sugar cookie crunch. These are their Christmas edition cereal, limited edition, and honey, we had to get these. Look at the back for the kids to play some games. But yeah. Four left. So these are the fresh grapes. All right, y'all. So I got my Christmas cookies that I wanted to put in here. I got these from Aldi's. So cute. Put my little ears back on here. And my flower. My baby thing, right. Look at that. And my balls back on here.